Yo, what's up everyone? It's your name back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of front-end development, more specifically the ongoing battle between React.js and Next.js. We're gonna break down which of these JavaScript powerhouses will reign supreme in 2025. Because let's face it, choosing the right framework isn't just about today's trends, it's about future-proofing your projects and making sure your skills stay relevant. Now, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, making the right choice is crucial. Both React and Next offer incredible features and a massive community, but understanding their strengths and weaknesses in 2025 will be key to making the right decision for your specific needs. So if you're ready to unravel the future of web development and discover which framework comes out on top, stick around, hit that like button, and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with React.js, the library that needs no introduction. React has been a dominant force in the web development world for years, known for its component-based architecture, virtual DOM, and massive community support. But how will it hold up in 2025? First off, React's component-based structure is like the Lego of web development. You build reusable UI elements, making your code cleaner and more maintainable. And the virtual DOM? That's React's secret sauce for lightning-fast updates, only re-rendering what's changed on the page. Now let's talk community. React has one of the largest and most active communities out there. That means tons of libraries, tools, and resources are at your fingertips, making development smoother and faster. Plus, React's versatility is off the charts. Whether you're building single-page applications, complex web apps, or even diving into mobile development with React Native, React has got you covered. And don't forget about the continuous improvements. The React team is constantly pushing updates, optimizing performance, and introducing new features to keep up with the ever-evolving web development landscape. But it's not just about the tech. React's popularity also means a larger talent pool. Finding experienced React developers is easier, which is a huge plus if you're building a team or looking for your next gig. So, React in 2025? Still a force to be reckoned with. Its flexibility, performance, and massive community support make it a top contender for any web development project. Now let's shift our focus to the challenger, Next.js. Built on top of React, Next.js takes things up a notch, offering a more complete and opinionated framework for building high-performance web applications. Think of Next.js as React on steroids. It takes all the good stuff from React and supercharges it with features like server-side rendering, automatic code splitting, and built-in routing. These features translate to faster loading times, improved SEO, and an overall smoother user experience. But speed isn't everything, right? Next.js also brings some serious developer experience improvements to the table. Its file system-based routing is incredibly intuitive, and features like API routes make building serverless functions a breeze. And let's talk about performance. Next.js is built with speed in mind. Features like image optimization, pre-rendering, and static site generation mean your websites will load blazing fast, giving users that instant gratification they crave. Plus, Next.js is all about SEO. Server-side rendering ensures search engines can easily crawl and index your content, boosting your website's visibility and driving more organic traffic. But the real game changer here is Next.js' focus on the entire development lifecycle. From development to deployment, Next.js streamlines the process, making it easier than ever to build, deploy, and maintain complex web applications. And as if that wasn't enough, Next.js is also embracing the future of web development with features like edge functions and serverless functions, giving developers more flexibility and scalability than ever before. In a nutshell, Next.js is a powerful framework that combines the flexibility of React with the performance and developer experience of a full-fledged framework. It's a game changer for building complex, high-performance web applications that are built to last. So there you have it. React.js and Next.js, two titans of the JavaScript world, both offering incredible features and capabilities. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your specific needs and project requirements. If you need maximum flexibility and a massive ecosystem, React.js is still a solid choice. But if you're looking for a more opinionated framework that prioritizes performance, SEO, and developer experience, Next.js might be your new best friend. Now I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments down below which framework you prefer and why. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome AI content. Until next time.